Good morning. Hello, how are you? No, you can't. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, look at his mouth. Hello. He's like, where's my worm? I'm hungry. Feed me. Hi. Hi. Aww. Hello. Hi, little guy, little girl.
Probably a girl.
Why?
I don't know. It could be a girl.
You want it to be a girl?
Yeah.
Aww. Oh, are you a girl or a boy? I don't know. I don't know. Hi. Look at the wing. It's trying to grow really fast. Aww. He's got a little like spiky hair, Ella. Look. Oh, hi. Oh, he fell over. Oh, help me, help me, help me. Aww, he's so
Where's
cute.
the robin? I mean, where's the mom?
Oh, she's watching. She's up in the tree right over there.
Where?
To the left.
To the left?
Yeah.
Where?
Hold on, I'll show you in a minute. Goodbye. Have a good day.
I see a